going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your AirPods and solve any problem that you've got with your AirPods, okay? Whether if it's connectivity problem, if they're not syncing, if you're just hearing from one AirPod, or if it's simply not charging, or if you're facing any other problem. This reset process in most cases is going to help you fixing the problem if it's a software issue. And do not worry, because this actually works on any AirPod model, whether you've got the first generation, the second, the third. Do not worry, the process is exactly the same. So over here, the very first thing that I need you to do is basically remove the case if you've got one from your AirPods, okay? Once you're done detaching the case from your AirPods, we've got here at the back a button right here, okay? So in order to reset your AirPods, the process is very simple, okay? Simply open up the case and then press the button for 15 to 20 seconds, okay? So simply start pressing the button. You'll see the white blinking light. Do not release the button. Keep on pressing the button, okay, for a little longer. Be patient. Keep on pressing the button until you see the orange blinking light. Once you see the orange blinking light, you're going to immediately release the button and let the AirPods reset itself. Now our AirPods have been reset, and now I'm going to pair it into my Apple device as a new pair of AirPods. In my case, I'll be connecting it to my iPhone right here. But before we keep going, I'd like to take a minute to talk about today's sponsor for this video, which is ReiBoot iOS System Repair, which is an amazing software that allows you to fix almost all common problems that you face on your iPhone device, such as, for example, your iPhone getting stuck on the Apple logo, your iPhone getting stuck on the reboot Apple logo, or if your iPhone simply gets stuck on the black screen, and many other issues that you might encounter on your iPhone device. So this is a pretty simple software that allows you to fix all those software problems. And in order to download the software, you can actually download it on their website, which is this one right here. The link is in the description box below. And hey, do not worry, because this software is available for both macOS users as well as Windows users. So in order to fix any software issue that you've got on your iPhone device, all you need to do is simply tap here on Start, and then you've got two different ways of repairing the problem. We've got the standard repair and then the deep repair. So at first, I would recommend you guys to start with the standard repair, and in case the standard repair doesn't fix your issue, you can also try the deep repair. But the deep repair, unfortunately, causes data loss. So make sure you start with the standard repair first. In order to fix, simply tap on standard repair, and then over here you need to follow these steps depending on your iPhone device. If you've got an iPhone 8 and above, simply follow these steps. Tap the volume up, down, continue holding the power button, and then connect the iPhone into the computer. If you're running an iPhone 8 and above model, simply press the volume up, down, and then press and hold the power button while connecting your iPhone into your computer while having this software open. If you have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, simply follow these steps, and if you've got other devices, simply follow these steps right here. So once you're connected to the computer, this software will then help you fixing any problem that you've got on your iPhone device. So make sure you guys give a try on this software if you face any iPhone software issue. Once again, thank you ReiBoot for sponsoring today's video. Now let's keep going with the video. In my case, I'll be pairing here with my iPhone, and as you guys can see here, we've got brand new AirPods trying to connect into my iPhone. Let me unlock my iPhone to connect. Here we go, and it's now connecting as brand new AirPods. And then I'll be able to customize and set up my preferences here from my iPhone. So this is how you actually reset your Apple AirPods, and this actually solves most of the problems that you've got with your AirPods. Now, if you're facing charging issues here on your AirPods, for example, if they're not charging, I would recommend you guys to try this out. So basically take a toothpick, okay, just like this one, and make sure that it's a toothpick made of wood and not of metal. I repeat, it should not be of metal. It needs to be wood, okay? So what you'll be doing here is basically try to clean your charging port with the toothpick. In most cases, we've got in here dust inside, and by inserting the toothpick, you can actually try to remove as much dust as you can with this movement right here. Okay, this is going to help you cleaning your charging port. You need to perform this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Be gentle, try to remove as much dust as you can with this movement. In my case, my charging port is really clean in here, but in your case, if you're facing issues, this is a very common problem that people face on AirPods. So simply try to clean it from the sides and remove as much dust as you can, and then try connecting your AirPods into the charger to see if they start charging. I hope this video really helped you. If you liked the video, please leave a comment down below, like the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.